Hello guys, in this video, we're going to talk about how to make creative videos using Decoherence. But before we begin, please hit that like button to show us your support and help our videos reach more people. Now let's get started. Do you know that there's an AI tool that can help you create videos using text prompts? Decoherence is an AI-powered tool that makes it easy for any user to create videos without even learning how to edit videos. Now go to the URL decoherence.co, then look for the download link. Select the OS that you are using. If you're using Windows or Mac, then click the download button. Once downloaded, run this on your computer and install it. Now log into Decoherence. Click Continue with Google. Now sign in to your Google account and allow the app to access your account. First, select a new project. Enter the project name in this text field. Then you can choose from the aspect ratios available. You can choose from portrait, square, or landscape. If you're going to use this as a mobile-friendly video for Facebook or Instagram stories, Reels, or TikTok, then choose portrait. Then click Create Project. First, let's select the style. This window shows you the AI style that you can choose from. The available styles are Stable Diffusion, Magical Journey, Anime, Dark Fantasy, Synthwave Punk, or Beauty. Let's choose Stable Diffusion. Next, Starting Frame. You have the option to upload an image or generate images. If you'd like to generate images, you need to type in keywords that you'd like to appear on your video. You can see the example keywords and generate it for your images. Now click the button Generate Images. You can see the images in this section. Select one that you like. Now go back to the list of menus. Under the General tab, you can choose the frames per second. Let's leave it as is. You can also adjust the frame interpolation and zoom. For the interpolation, you can interpolate frames between two generated images. The higher the value, the higher the speed. Next, click Advanced. In this section, you can adjust the steps to a lower or a higher value. The higher value takes longer to generate and it uses more of your credits. Also, you can adjust the guidance, starting seed, and sampler below. For now, let's leave it as is. Next, click Audio. In this section, you can import the audio that you have available on your computer or select any available audio. When you upload an audio file, you can use the feature Separate Audio Channels. In this section, you can view the audio imported here, and it shows the duration. Each channel shows you the audio from the vocals, the bass, and more. On the prompt section, click on the pencil icon to add a prompt. You can also view recommended text prompts here. Now let's add another prompt. If you want to adjust the duration of the prompt, just drag the end of the prompt to the time that you want. Now let's add another prompt. You may notice that every time you create a prompt, it will generate suggested keywords that you can use for your prompt. You can use it so you have more ideas to include in your video. And let's use the generated texts here. If your audio is too long, you can trim it by going to the end of the audio time frame, then drag it to align with the last text prompt. You can check the audio time in this section. Also, every time we add a new prompt, the credits to generate the entire video keeps on adding up, so make sure you have enough credits. Next, audio reactive effects. If you select a specific channel from the original audio, you can select them here, then choose from the options in this drop-down list. Now let's generate this video. To generate this video, it notifies us that we need more credits. So if you want to keep on generating videos, you can choose from the basic plan, creator, or director plan. Each plan allows you to have more credits per month. Now let's adjust the duration of each prompt, and you may notice that the needed credits gets lower. Now let's try to generate this video again. Write the creation name and click this button. Now it shows that we need more credits for this. Let's adjust the prompt again and make sure that our free credits cover this credit cost. Click this button again to generate our video. It shows the estimated time to finish this video. And you can even see the preview in this section. Once generated, we can view the clip that we have created here and listen to the audio sound. So that's it for today's video. But before the video ends, here's something you shouldn't miss. If you need to unlock a fresh and high-quality traffic source that 99% of your competition hasn't exploited yet, we have a marketing app that can help your business get more high-quality traffic. It's called Vidscribe AI. Vidscribe accepts both videos from your computer or YouTube URLs. It automatically transcribes, but you can modify and change anything you want. Automatic translation in a matter of seconds. Overlay subtitles, and modify the colors and background to your translated texts. Redub audio to match the dialogue pace to give you the best quality redub. Upload online and send it to your YouTube or Facebook accounts and enjoy your videos with subtitles. So try Vidscribe now. Go to the URL vidscribe.in/sales. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.